All melty on him.
Is that cupcake good? You don't want to wipe your hand off. That's good.
Lick it off.
Eat it. Oh. Mmm.
You keep eating. You're gonna get more on you. I'll wipe it off in a minute. You just shoved the whole bottom of it in his mouth.
Look at that chocolate mustache.
Keep eating. You still got some more.
You don't need to clean your hands off. You can lick it off your hands. I think you had a diaper that looked kind of like that.
Cupcake.
Can you say cupcake? Have you eaten the bottom off of the cupcake? No, keep eating. You can wipe your hands later.
Keep eating.
That's
Eat the
good
rest
stuff
of
on
it.
your hands.
You lick it off? Watch. See.
Mmm. There you go. No. Hold on.
Wait.
That's
Wait. Eat that.
That was a lot of cake you just put in your mouth there.
I hope he doesn't have a bellyache later. That'd be great.
Does that make funny noises? That's right, cheese. Say cheese for the camera. Well, you inhaled that.
Was it tasty? Is it yummy?
Does your hand make funny squishing sounds now? Is it yummy? You done? Then done? You're not done? Okay. Now you done? Then done?
Can you say cheese? Cheese.
Is that a good cupcake?
Can you say cheese?
How?